Yeah, welcome to this channel. Don't forget to like, to share, and also to subscribe to our channel. In the news today, 2027, APC breaks silence on VP Shettima's potential replacement. The All Progressive Congress has dismissed speculation that President Bola Tinubu may consider dropping Vice President Kashim Shettima ahead of the 2027 general election. According to the APC National Vice Chairman, Southeast, Dr. Ijeoma Arodiogu, the rumors of the replacement are baseless and distracting, affirming that the relationship between the president and his deputy remains strong. I'm hearing that for the first time. There is a solid working relationship between President Tinubu and Vice President Shettima. Arodiogu stated, Shettima is a key asset, intelligent, focused, and deeply involved in this administration. These rumors are likely just political noise meant to create division. He further noted that such speculations are not uncommon in the run-up to an election, especially as political alignments begin to shift. However, he stressed that the president and the vice president enjoy full confidence and backing from the party leadership. Similarly, the special advisor to the president on policy communication, Daniel Bwala, denied such a plan. I am not aware, sir, he said. The rumors emerged in the aftermath of a high-profile endorsement of President Tinubu by key APC stakeholders at the APC National Summit held at the State House Banquet Hall in Abuja. 22 governors, National Assembly leaders, and senior party figures threw their support behind Tinubu as the party's sole presidential candidate for the 2027 elections. The motion for endorsement was moved by the chairman of the Progressive Governors Forum, and Imo State Governor Hope Uzodinma, and was seconded by Kaduna State Governor Uba Sani. Their position was later reinforced by the Senate President Godswill Akpabio and the Speaker of the House of Representatives Tajuddin Abbas, who cited the president's performance as justification for continuity. The flurry of endorsement has fueled speculation that the vice president could be replaced to balance regional interests or expand Tinubu's electoral base in 2027. Well, this matter has been moving around as speculations, or better still, we better call it rumor. And then the belief is that, of course, sometimes there are bound to be such intrigues. I think some group of people who are trying to play their card peradventure in order to enter into Tinubu's administration are the ones spreading this, because we've not heard whether there is a problem between the president and his vice, and at no time have we heard any altercation or problem or any disturbances as regards the two. And since the president has been moving up and down doing his job, the vice president's assignment has been cut out for him, and he's also doing it, and we've not heard that he has failed even to live up to expectation or to standards set by Tinubu. So why would there be any rumor or plan to remove him or to replace him? But we want to say that, of course, some people, the high power, looking at the fact that in the eye of the political party, they believe that Tinubu has done well, and it's going to be difficult for anybody to contest against him within the party for primary to get the ticket away from him. That is their belief. And also there is that, advantage of first refusal, that is for Tinubu as the incumbent to run again. And then they now look at the fact that if it is impossible to wrestle the ticket from Tinubu, I think they can go for the VP position, the VP slot. And I don't know where that is coming from. And maybe this orchestration might be from the north, because there is a language here that this flurry of endorsement has fueled speculation that the vice president could be replaced to balance regional interests or expand Tinubu's electoral base in 2027. First question, which balancing? Which regional interest? We have the southern region and we have the northern region. In the south, we have the southwest, the southeast, and the south-south. In the north, we have the north central, the northwest, and the northeast. And then somebody had to come from one of them. and Tinubu came from Southwest, while Shettima came from the Northeast. I don't see where there is no regional balance there, except they want to narrow it down again. So if they want to narrow it down, they're trying to tell us that it's the Northwest that will produce the vice president when the president that left before Tinubu happened to come from the Northwest. And then, of course, the people from North Central can begin to make noise and talk about their matter. But if we look at it, even in the history of Nigeria, I think a Northeasterner has never been that close like the one at Shettima has been close now. So if it is talking about the so-called regional balance, I think a Shettima will be okay there, because a North Central man, a military man, the man of called Yakubu Gawan, have been an head of state in this country before now. But going to the northeastern part of the country, especially area like Borno State, that is also having the issue of Boko Haram and insurgencies and the likes, I think it's a good choice for President Tinubu, and I don't think there is any issue to flog at all as regards regional balancing. Number two, they said expanding Tinubu's electoral base in 2027. So it is only removing the VP from Northeast that will expand his base. Let's look at the political table when the election was done. Even in the Southwest, Lagos, for example, Tinubu lost election. So expanding your base is a very good reason, but it's not good reason enough even for the removal of a working vice president that is, giving you peace, not giving you problem. We could remember here in 2003 that an Obasanjo had to be begging an Atiku, his own vice president, to allow him to go for a second term because he has brought almost all the governors on it to his side. But here we are in 2025 that Tinubu is enjoying a sole representation endorsement for him to go back. That means his vice president didn't do any underhand work to undermine this endorsement. So I think Nigerians, the people in APC should really think and very well before they come to begin to say things that people will not be able to reason alongside. So, and the APC had come out to tell those who are behind the rumor mongering to forget about it. We know that the whole thing is coming in from within their party, but they might give it to opposition to expand it further, and they begin to cause unnecessary problem even within their rank and file. And we won't forget also that, of course, in every situation, if one is not careful, the fifth columnist can be there and they begin to cause unnecessary trouble and problem, which eventually might crack their cohesion and eventually led to their fall. At least a good example is not too far from us. We can see PDP now that has crumbled because of what Wike has done, and also APC should be weary of such set of people. Let's see what will happen at the end of the day. 2027 is no more far. We will know whether Shettima will run or not with Tinubu. Remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.